Lok Angeya Ma Ocwiny Lok Angeya biashara magitika bedo kin wang bora nyawacho kin lobo Kenya ki Uganda oltero ngitika bonyo yang nong'onyo maramo konyo gin pimo rom jami kabene kero alama enikom jami magidujo manweng titute meto kidongilo ben ronje malwak wile kin lobo Kenya ki Uganda dok bene kinene biashara ore yoma pore manake gwako yot kompalwak watike matute Lok Angeya Ma biashara don lobo man oyomo chwiny mon magitimo biashara imalaba kidong bene man tika ber marimo anywali Uganda kena anywali Kenya duju pien nigi bedo kalama piere tek makibot East African Community ilokom timo biashara Kiyungbot Kenya biber kibot National Chambers of Commerce and Industry man melobo Kenya kadong pa Uganda dul may Uganda Women Entrepreneurs Association Limited ayoko kogen madet kidir man manyene mekonyo winye kilowil ne woke kubeme internet onyo online ikachoke menena rioni loko kati meneno kitmiripo wilu biachar matino tino maaki malaba yungbot Uganda kidong bana yungbot Kenya neno kitmirit kachel kibot yora kidong dul me KNCCI man kachel ki UWEAL manweng dul me yilo maloker me biachara Gino ka tikidiro makiluni ai soko platform machi app michimching makubu kinlu wil kilu chat ni woki chimching wek ngiyo ko biachara obed mabe. Ladit matikalo Uganda Women Entrepreneurs Association Limited koni kechembo mabene ene yiguchulu li meka tiki app man kibot trade mark East Africa wani piere tek nemon magiti wang bora guripe ndakotimbia chara ni woke internet.
So the Uganda Women Entrepreneurs UWIL today has mobilized women cross-border traders in Malaba. 2 days back we were in Busia trying to have a conversation with the women who are doing business across the border, trying to enlighten them that to do better cross-border trading, it's very important that they also enhance the digitalization component. So with support from Trademark East Africa, we are setting up a Isoko platform. It's an IT platform, which is a marketplace for women to trade better, to connect, to display their market, to display their products, but also to ease sharing of information on issues of trade.
Ilok bolu cho Lok Angeya ikare meka choke man mauti meki Malawa iburepa Uganda ladit matikalo ikono East Africa Sub-Regional Support Initiative ESI Mary Ayemo owani mon mapol magiti biachari katika ngepeo mapol liwang boda dakumbet nekiten kogen ni woki teach kichimching.
Form is going to enable women to trade beyond their borders. They will be able to meet customers, to get customers, like even to meet this aftermarket. Today we are talking about the African Free Trade Continental Area. So this platform will enable them connect with different countries. These are women who have been just doing small scale trade in small quantity. Now this Isoko will first of all enable them to standardize, to improve on their products, to make sure that they meet the standards and their products, like they certify it, and now once they meet the standard that is required, they will be able to make more profit.
Mon mapol magiti biachara gofoyo ripeman.
Through Trademark East Africa with the UWIL that they have trained us on Isoko, whereby we are able Soko platform where we are be able at least to post our products.
With the association of UWIL and Trademark East Africa, we are very happy for what they have brought for us. As women, we are able to do marketing through what they have brought for us on their platform.
So whatever information we want, we'll just get onto the platform and get all the information we want.
Langi witich pa URA imalaba boda pol kataratunda maubirute iyupman owain gikatika yuma pol mene yupman apmano ti mabe labo kwalotano onyokit yome bora mokiken.
Our role as URA is to facilitate and simplify trade for you, especially our cross-border traders.
Lok Angeya Ma Ocwiny, Sunday Akum.